I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Excel and going straight to File Options Proofing, then click Autocorrect Options. Once there, make sure to pick the right scope. Changes apply to Excel globally, not per sheet, so decide global versus workbook-specific replacements now. Add your first entry by typing the text to replace, then the corrected text. Press Add and verify it appears in the list. This gets you immediately into action, skipping setup delays so you can build a useful rule set. Now you refine and expand replacements. Create shorthand to full-text rules, insert symbols, or common formula fragments. You should test each rule in a sample cell to see how Excel triggers replacement. Some require space or punctuation after the shorthand. Use the Exceptions tab to stop substitutions for capitalized words or specific strings. This prevents names or codes from changing. Once comfortable, export or document your list so you can reuse or share it with colleagues, making your workflow consistent. Finish by applying advanced tricks. Add symbols like copyright, fractions, or repetitive formula snippets so you type less. If a rule misfires, disable that entry or undo it immediately. Make sure autocorrect is enabled under proofing. Once done, test across sheets and shared workbooks to confirm behavior. If problems persist, repair Office or disable conflicting add-ins and clear cache settings. A practical tip: export your autocorrect list before major changes so you can restore it if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.